Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new coding challenge. We are going to be solving the Euler project, which is a website that has a list of algorithms you can practice to better yourself. You can see it starts from 1 and there are multiple pages. That's 15 one page. If I go to the last page, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of them. So today we're going to start with number 1, which is about multiples of 3 and 5, and I'm going to be switching between my text editor, which is Sublime, and my terminal, where I'm going to be testing the code. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 1. If we list all the natural numbers below 10, there are multiples of 3 and 5 that are multiples of 3 and 5. We get this. The sum of these multiples is 23. Now find the sum of all the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. Now I can just declare my function multiples 3, 5. Now we have to find the multiples of, first of all, let's find the multiples of the numbers that, let's find the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. So I have to loop. I is going to start at 0. Y it's less than 1000 incrementally. I am going to search if I divide the number by 3, is it equal to 0? If that's the case, then before that I can create like a temporal array that will be storing those numbers. So if I find a multiple of 3, I am going to push the number inside. Same thing if I find a multiple of 5, I'm going to push inside. I could do all of this one line by using if this or this. Okay, at the end of the for loop, our temporary array is great. It should be having the multiples. Now I can return the sum of everything that is in TMP by using the reduce function. Reduce takes an accumulator and a number x. So I'm going to return this. Now in order to see that, I need to call this function. I'll go to the terminal, and my file is called multiples35.gs, so I can run it with the node command, the node server. I see nothing. I could probably display these. Let me put this into an array. Let's just call it the answer. Now I'm going to console log it so that it can appear on the console, and then I'm going to return, just so that we can have something visible. We get 266,333. Now to be sure that algorithm works, let's test it with 10. We see if we are going to have 23 as the original. It means our loop, instead of reaching 1000, is going to loop to 10, and let's run it with the console. We get 23, so algorithm is good. All right, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video for another Euler project. We're going to do hundreds and hundreds of them, so stay tuned and practice on yourself, and during the comments, at the comments section, you can comment on what ways I could have used to be more efficient, to be faster, to be more secure, or just another alternative, something like that, so that the whole community can learn. Thank you and goodbye.